Welcome back. I decided to do some more practice this week. This time, instead of figure studies, I picked portraits. Because faces are hard, man. So I stopped by r/drawme and found somebody who wanted a drawing. I gave myself an arbitrary time limit of 30 minutes. So I hopped right in and started blocking in the lines and basic shapes. And here I have everything blocked out as far as shapes and where I think there's some separation between where shadow and light is. So then I start adding in some values. Now that I have the basic light and dark values on the face, I start rendering some of the details of the face. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, can you hit the like button down below, maybe subscribe.